Tired of complicated software that costs a fortune? Want to harness the power of AI without spending a dime? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to get started with free AI tools that can boost your productivity, creativity, and automation game. No paid versions required.
From automating content creation to generating stunning visuals and handling repetitive tasks, AI tools are revolutionizing how creators, entrepreneurs, and professionals work. And the best part? Many of these incredible tools are totally free or offer powerful free tiers.
Watch till the end, and you'll figure out how to make scripts for videos, voiceover for videos, and video generation using AI for free.
First up, ChatGPT.
ChatGPT, with its free tier, can help you with language and reasoning, knowledge and research, technical and analytical work, write, debug, and explain code, Python, JavaScript, HTML/CSS, etc. Creative tasks, generate and refine creative writing, such as stories, poetry, or dialogue. Collaboration tools.
ChatGPT can also understand and reply in dozens of languages, both major and regional. So texting ChatGPT in your regional language isn't a barrier for you to generate solutions.
Second, HuggingFace.
Hosts thousands of AI models for text generation, image creation, translation, summarization. Access models directly in your browser, without installation. Great for testing advanced AI applications like AI art generation, voice synthesis, and dialogue agents. Entirely free access with community support. Ideal for creators, developers, and learners who want to experiment with AI firsthand.
First, we're going to generate a script using ChatGPT. I'm keeping it short as I just want to show you how to generate the video as soon as possible.
Now we're going to use HuggingFace to generate a voiceover clip. Similar to Anna, I'm keeping it short too. This 5-minute video should teach you how to get your scripting done, your voiceover, and your video.
Bar your go-to text-to-video generation. Using ChatGPT for writing a script, HuggingFace to create a voiceover, and Lumen5 to generate videos.
Now head towards Lumen5. Log into your Google account, create a new video, and select a template. There are many to choose from. Choose the best suitable for your brand identity. Copy the short script that you generated from ChatGPT and paste it in the first column. Make sure to provide 3 outlines of what you're trying to show, sell, or advertise. Compose the script. Verify and continue if it's on point with your requirement. Guide media. It's great if you have some of your own content, which would help Lumen generate a video specific to your brand or product. Check the specifics and generate video. The only drawback to using free software is that it sometimes adds its own trademark to your video. I'll show you a simple and easy way to remove these trademarks in the following video. Comment Remove Trademark. Now that you've generated the video, use other free software like DaVinci Resolve or Canva to insert the voiceover clip. Comment Canva or DaVinci Resolve and I'll upload a step-by-step basic tutorial on how to use these softwares. If you've liked the video so far, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can stay updated.